Wait, don't scroll. If you learn these 50 idioms, you won't sound like a beginner anymore. You'll sound like a fluent English speaker. Break the ice, meaning start a conversation. Hindi, बातचीत शुरू करना. Sentence, I told a joke to break the ice. Hit the roof, meaning become very angry. Hindi, बहुत गुस्सा होना. Sentence, my father hit the roof when I was late. A piece of cake, meaning very easy. Hindi, बहुत आसान. Sentence, this test is a piece of cake. In a pickle, meaning in trouble. Hindi, परेशानी में होना. Sentence, I'm in a pickle right now. Miss the boat, meaning lose an opportunity. Hindi, मौका खो देना. Sentence, I missed the boat. Spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Hindi, राज खोल देना. Sentence, she spilled the beans. Under pressure, meaning feeling stress. Hindi, दबाव में होना. Sentence, I feel under pressure. On cloud nine, meaning very happy. Hindi, बहुत खुश होना. Sentence, she is on cloud nine. Hit the sack, meaning go to sleep. Hindi, सोने जाना. Sentence, I will hit the sack now. Lend a hand, meaning help someone. Hindi, मदद करना. Sentence, please lend me a hand. Call it a day, meaning stop working. Hindi, काम खत्म करना. Sentence, let's call it a day. Give it a shot, meaning try something. Hindi, कोशिश करना. Sentence, I will give it a shot. Hang on, meaning wait. Hindi, रुकना. Sentence, hang on a minute. No big deal, meaning not important. Hindi, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Sentence, it's no big deal. What's going on, meaning what is happening. Hindi, क्या हो रहा है. Sentence, what's going on here? Take your time, meaning don't hurry. Hindi, आराम से करो. Sentence, take your time. I'm broke, meaning no money. Hindi, पैसे नहीं हैं. Sentence, I'm broke today. Sounds good, meaning good idea. Hindi, अच्छा लग रहा है. Sentence, that sounds good. Let me know, meaning inform me. Hindi, मुझे बताना. Sentence, let me know later. I'm all ears, meaning listening carefully. Hindi, ध्यान से सुनना. Sentence, I'm all ears.
Cut to the chase, meaning come to the point. Hindi, सीधे मुद्दे पर आना. Sentence, cut to the chase. Get lost, meaning go away. Hindi, चले जाओ. Sentence, just get lost. Hang out, meaning spend time. Hindi, समय बिताना. Sentence, let's hang out. Chill out, meaning relax. Hindi, आराम करो. Sentence, chill out. Take it easy, meaning stay calm. Hindi, शांत रहो. Sentence, take it easy. Back to square one, meaning start again. Hindi, फिर से शुरू करना. Sentence, we are back to square one. in hot water, meaning in trouble. Hindi, मुसीबत में. Sentence, he is in hot water. Go the extra mile, meaning extra effort. Hindi, ज़्यादा मेहनत करना. Sentence, she goes the extra mile. Speak up, meaning talk louder. Hindi, जोर से बोलो. Sentence, speak up. Hold on, meaning wait. Hindi, रुको. Sentence, hold on. Figure out, meaning understand. Hindi, समझना. Sentence, I will figure it out. Look into, meaning check. Hindi, जांच करना. Sentence, I will look into it. Run out of, meaning finish. Hindi, खत्म होना. Sentence, we ran out of milk. Come across, meaning find suddenly. Hindi, अचानक मिलना. Sentence, I came across a book. Turn down, meaning reject. Hindi, मना करना. Sentence, they turned down my request. Turn up, meaning appear. Hindi, आना. Sentence, he turned up late. Give up, meaning quit. Hindi, छोड़ देना. Sentence, don't give up. Make up, meaning create. Hindi, बनाना. Sentence, she made up a story. Take off, meaning remove. Hindi, उतारना. Sentence, take off your shoes. Pick up, meaning learn. Hindi, सीखना. Sentence, I picked up English fast. Keep in touch, meaning stay connected. Hindi, संपर्क में रहना. Sentence, keep in touch. Break down, meaning stop working. Hindi, खराब होना. Sentence, my car broke down. Go on, meaning continue. Hindi, जारी रखना. Sentence, please go on. Find out, meaning discover. Hindi, पता लगाना. Sentence, I will find it out. Come back, meaning return. Hindi, वापस आना. Sentence, come back soon. Set up, meaning arrange. Hindi, तैयार करना. Sentence, I set up my desk. Work out, meaning solve. Hindi, हल निकालना. Sentence, I will work it out. Take care, meaning be careful. Hindi, ध्यान रखना. Sentence, take care. Get over, meaning recover. Hindi, ठीक होना. Sentence, I got over it. Move on, meaning go ahead. Hindi, आगे बढ़ना. Sentence, let's move on. If this helped you even a little, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, because the next video will take your English to the next level.